port pears, but not poached, no time for that. Flambéed with a walnut streusel. All of it ready in minutes. It's streusel time, baby. Streusel is easy. Just some nuts, flour, and sugar. And a little spice is nice. So many ways to use cold butter. That's it. It's that easy.
You gotta see how the hustle go. You know where you caught up 'cause you know it's a vibe. Let the music get up, take you high. Let the music get up in your mind.
That is done. I kid you not. Star anise. Look how beautiful this is. Nature's so cool. When you don't know which spice to add allspice. Let's let that marry for a minute, and then brown sugar. The molasses speeds up the caramelization. Smells like my grandma's house. Ruby port. Beautiful color, sweet, fortified with brandy, so I can do fun stuff like this. Woo! Yes! This comes together so quickly.
Why did it fall apart? My queen have broken us. You got me lying inside. Sleep on a bed and it's dreaming of fairy tales. There's no getting over. Baby, you killed my vibe. Wish I could clear my mind. Girl, just what have you done? Oh, I can't get you up, can't get you up, can't get you out of my head. Every day and night. I can't get you off my
There is so much depth in these pears, and serve it with a glass of port, ruby port, of course. Pinkies up on this one.